To use MX Best Player app. Now what we'll do is just open the MX Player app like this. Wait for it to open. Now here I will show you how each feature works. Now you can see these top icons. Here is the shortcut to access each feature. Here you can see it, and also here in all, here you see all is how the folder will be set for it to be accessed. You see it, you can set it by clicking on it like this and choose anyone you like. By clicking this search icon, here is where you can search any media files like video or music, and also you can remove it by clicking on this cancel icon. You can also use your voice by clicking this voice and then use your voice to search for a file. Now here is where you can set the formation you want it to be like this. Select anyone you like the view mode you want it to be like. You can see the view mode, you can see the layout. Here you can set up the view mode, here you can set up the layout. You see it. Here in short is where you can set how you want it to be, like the file you want it to be the first. Here set it on sort, and here in field by clicking this down facing arrow icon is where you can set up the files, like how you want the file to display. Here is where you can set it up. Also here in advanced feature, by clicking here, here is where you can set up what you want to show by turning these toggles on. You see it. Now you can save it by clicking on this down here. You see it. Here in music, here is where you can access all your music and play them. You can also find it on playlist or the albums, the address or the folders here by their folder. Here is where you can access it by their folder. And also here in download, here is where you can download any media you want to download. Here you see. And also here in me is where you can find the features, like where you can find the download icon, all the generalized, all the features. Here is where you can find it. You can see download, you can see file transfer, you can see private folder, you can see video playlist, you can see manage media manager, local network stream, and also cloud. Here you can also connect your cloud by clicking here and click on add and then follow the process. Now here by clicking on the back navigation or by clicking on this left switching arrow, here is where you can go back. Now here in the app theme, here is where you can change the theme. You can use adaptive, which means it can change based on the time period, or it can change automatically based on the weather, or you can select a classical themes by clicking on anyone like this and then click on use here and then wait for it to download. And then as you can see, it have applied the theme. Now here also you can use other themes, which mean you can download any theme here, any classical theme you like here like this by clicking on it. Also you can find the settings by clicking here and set up anything you like. Also you can change languages. Now how to change language in MX Player? Now click on app language here, select any language you like. You can see languages, there are many languages. You can select anyone you like. You can select anyone you like this and then click on OK. As you can see, the language have changed. Also you can set up a custom pop-up player like this here. This custom pop-up player is the video floating that will show up on the screen. Now let me show you how by using one of my videos as an example. Now go back by clicking the back navigation. Now go to where you kept your video like this and click on it. Now select the video by clicking on the video. As you can see, the video is displaying. Now let me show you how the custom pop-up will be. Now click on this floating icon here. As you can see, the video is floating now. Now let's go back to the custom pop-up layer. Also you can reduce the scale by compressing it like this with your two hands. And now go back to the custom pop-up layer like this. Click on it. Now here you can start playing the video by clicking on it like this and then click on this play icon. As you can see, the video is playing. Now with this custom pop-up layer, control, you can set up the rewind. You can set it up by clicking here in order for you to fast forward and rewind. And also like this, when you click this fast forward and rewind like this and then click on the pop-up layer like this, It can only fast forward or rewind like this. You see it? You see it? Now when you click this previous and next like this, it can only here go to the next video by clicking here, or go back to the previous video by clicking here. You see it? Now if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And also, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, don't leave without subscribing and clicking on the bell icon. Now also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. So click on any video on the screen you will find it helpful. Thank you for watching most of all. See you on the next video. Peace.